underwear game, everybody. Underwear game.
Hey, Mike, can I run in?
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, come on in. We'll get him.
Not everybody has underwear, people. Look at them. Oh, look, everybody, look at this gun. It's sexy. Everybody just look at that gun. Yes.
What do you see, man? I mean, they're far.
They're everywhere. They're far back there, dude.
Oh, yeah. Got it on the right left side.
Hey, cutie, what's your name? Yes, everybody, that is right. This is Louie. This is Tanner in his underwear playing. Look at that tiny penis.
YouTube it.
I am.
Hey, Tanner's got the wedgie shot right now. There's the wedgie shot.
Hey, Frank, can I borrow your camera till Monday so I can put this all over the internet?
Don't worry, guys. I got it on my camera. I'll send you the link.
I gotta have it.
Out of the woods, gotta be on the speedball course.
Dude, I'll give everybody at this speedball course a copy of it, too.
Put that on the webpage. I'll put it on YouTube on my Black Tiger Airsoft channel. I'm filming you guys, filming the underwear guys. Remember, you cannot be in the woods.
Get him, Tanner! Get him!
Come on.
Oh, there's Sean, guys. There's Sean. He's playing next to Tanner. Sean Sawyers, everybody. Sean Sawyers. Oh, what the heck? I'm a ref. I'll hurt you.
I didn't shoot. Oh, that was in the Yorker. Why is he in woods? Why is he in woods? Way down there. Mike! Why is he in woods? You can't be in the woods shooting. Referee, go tell him to get out of the woods. You cannot be in the woods. This is a football game.
Okay, everybody. This is a speedball game. This is Louie signing out. Tanner's balls.